Hi guys! So for today's video, bibili kami ng school supplies for my upcoming college. So konti lang naman yung bibilin ko kasi iba nabili ko na sa TikTok shop. And then, baka mag-grind kami ng family day, date, or bond. So I'm also gonna vlog that. So yeah. Got our shoes. So today, I'm gonna do a school supplies haul for my college and kakatapos ko lang maligo. So today is July 15, 2025. So ngayon ako nakapag-film because ngayon lang nakompleto lahat ng in-order ko sa TikTok ng school supplies. Plus all of the things that we bought from SM North. Sasama ko na din siya dito. So I'm gonna show you guys what are the things I'll have for my college journey. Yes, so for ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first, bumili kami ng index cards. So as far as I know, ito yung mga sizes na laging kailangan. So I bought 3 packs in case. And 3 packs of this little bit bigger one. May kasama siyang free ball pen. So love it. Next, I bought 12 pieces of ball pen as a person na kailangan laging may ball pen. So, ayan siya. Sa TikTok shop ko siya nabili, guys. And, ayan. Maganda naman yung ink niya. Na-try ko na siya kanina. As soon as na pagdating niya, tinry ko na kung okay yung ink niya. So, okay naman siya. So, I bought this mini stapler. So, nung grade 12 ako, lagi kaming may need na a-stapler. So, I think it is essential. Pero ngayon, I'm not really sure kung sa college may kailangan na stapler ba. Yeah, just in case. And then, I bought this cute highlighters. Sobrang cute niya. Kaya ko din siya pinili. Kasi nakikita na ako sa pink naman. Yeah, it has 4 different shades of highlighters. It's so cute. Look at that. So, kung napapansin nyo, nag-cut ako ng nails ko. Because of my course. Bawal na kasi na bawal ng long nails extension. That's why I cutted my nails shorter. So, supposedly, this Friday yung orientation namin, July 18. But, na-move na siya sa first day, sa mismong pasukan namin. So, sa July 24 ng aking pasok, guys, which is next week. Okay. Moving on. So, I bought 3 packs of refills para sa binder. Kasi binder lang yung gagamitin ko for this college life. And this is my binder. Color pink din. So cute, right? And meron na siyang kasamang paper din sa loob. So yeah. And then next, I have this cute ball pen case. So I already opened it. And it's so cute. So mamaya, ilalagay ko na dyan yung mga ball pens ko and my highlighters para wala nang kalat sa bag ko. And then, I bought this foldable na, I forgot ko ano yung tawag. Basta, foldable na clipboard. A4 ata or A5. So, I bought this para organize yung bag ko. Dito ko ilalagay yung yellow pad ko na nakaipit dyan. And then, speaking of yellow pad, I bought yellow pad. Hindi ko pa binubuksan. Wait, i-open ko muna siya. Kasi gusto kong para dito, para sa vlog, in-open ko siya. Ay, shocks ka. Wala ka, paano ito bubuksan? Nabuksan ko din pati yung plastic. Never mind. So anyways, bumili na din ako ng set may lengthwise in case, kasi sa senior high school ko din, more on yellow paper na din talaga yung gamit and kailangan ng lengthwise. And most of the time, laging ito yung kailangan. Laging kailangan ng 1/4 na yellow paper. So, ayan. And then, 1/2 crosswise. Bumili na din ako in case. And of course, the whole pad of yellow paper. Color pencil. Alam ko essential to sa course na tinake ko. So, ayan. Bumili ako ng color pencil. Kasi may drawing doon. Shinamero. And then, a file organizer. So, everything na gagawin namin sa school, like may sasagutan kami, like quizzes of paper, and some kung ano man yung pinapalagay nila sa papel para hindi mo kang basura yung bag ko. Speaking from experience. So, yeah. Bumili na ako ng file organizer. So, yun na ata yung lahat ng things ko for my school. So, ayusin ko na yun lang yan later. So, for the bag, ito yung binili. Actually, nasa buy lang siya. Kasi sale. You know, SM department. And look at that. It is so pretty. So, hindi ko lang din bet masyado yung strap ng bag niya. Pero, okay siya. Ang ganda niya. Spacious din siya. So, yung mga kailangan ko for everyday in case na ayoko mag-backpack, I have this. Ang laki ng space niya. So, sale si Grab. Alam ko Grab yung brand niya. And nakasave ka ng 200 pesos. So, mura lang talaga siya. So, this is only 200 pesos. And I think okay naman siya na bag. For everyday na bag. You know what I mean? And for my mainly bag, kasi sa course ko, kailangan itong malaking bag talaga. So, I bought this Ruffles. May gusto talaga akong bilhin from TikTok. Pero gusto kasi ng kapatid ko and sila mami is pang matagalan na yung bag. So, 4 years tayo mag-aaral, no? So, sa 4 years na yon, iisang bag na lang yung gagamitin natin. Hindi kailangan laging bago. So, we bought this cute bag from Ruffles. And it is so cute. Yung pusa ko. Muning. And it is so cute. Meron pa siyang like saksakan in case na kunyari meron kang power bank. Ang kulit ng pusa ko, B. Later ka na. I'm doing vlog, baby. So, meron siyang ayun, may USB siyang kasama. And it's so cute. Ayan, so, in case na basta ang cute na itsura niya. So, maganda naman siya. So, sabihin ko na lang sana sa susunod kong malalaman nyo naman sa next kong vlog kung ano yung course na tinake ko and kung saan ako mag-aaral for this school year. So, ayun, mauuna pa tong i-upload kasi mas nauna pang makomplete yung mga videos na gusto kong i-capture. Eh, dun kasi sa vlog na yon that I'll be doing, which is my enrollment vlog. Hindi pa kasi siya kompleto since hindi pa ako tapos sa mga kailangan kong gawin. So, yeah. Ito yung shoes ko from Figlea. So, okay kasi yung Figlea. Actually, I'm planning na mag-heels. Pero, because of my course na naman, mas okay na mag-flats na lang ako kaysa mag-heels. So, I have a cute flat shoes. This is the first time na magsasot ako ng flats kasi lagi ako na-heels as a 5'9", 5 flat girly. So, this is my school shoes. Kasi gurul-gul na yung school shoes ko nung senior high ako. So, nagpabili na ako. And look at that! Ang cute niya, diba? At least may maliit siyang takong. Medyo tatangkad ako slight. So, this is what my school shoes look like. Flat shoes kasi, black shoes kasi kami. Lastly, we bought foot socks. Kasi foot socks ang kailangan sa school kong to. Sa course kong ito. So, yeah. That's the last college essentials that we bought. If you wanna know, guys, kung saan ko siya nabili, I'll make a TikTok content about my school supplies and then check out my TikTok showcase. So yeah, that is all for this video, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe para more updates to come pag nag-vlog ako for my this college journey. And I am so happy to be with you guys throughout all of my experiences in life. So yeah, see you guys on my next vlog. Abangan nyo ang aking enrollment vlog. Bye-bye!